Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, which was Monday the 11th of July. So on the S&P we said that initial resistance was at 38.78 to 38.84, and if we've got a sustained break below 38.59 to 38.66 we could see moves towards 38.39 to 38.45. So let's go and have a look at the S&P from yesterday. Okay, so as you can see from the S&P yesterday, we opened up right in this initial resistance 38.78 to 84 zone and rejected that very, very quickly. So a nice rejection from that initial resistance zone. We got the impulsive push through the 38.59.66 zone, and we came up and was very corrective, and we started holding it here and here, although there wasn't any real entries or reversal techniques to get in here. If you had managed to get short, this probably would have been a losing trade because it didn't get that push down into that 38.39 to 45 zone. So the best trade there was this initial resistance at the open at 38.78 to 84, and then we actually did push up there and we had another retest around here. Again, unfortunately for me, there wasn't actually any real reversal signal, but if you had a reversal signal as part of your plan in that area, there was potential to get short from that resistance area again. So yeah, the initial resistance zone held well yesterday. It did look like we was going to get further downside due to the price action around that 38.59.69 zone, but that never materialized, and we've got another opportunity later on from the initial resistance zone. So that was the S&P. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, the Dow, we said we had initial resistance at 31.195 to 31.25, and if we started to gain acceptance above there, then we had potential to react from the main resistance zone at 31.690 to 31.740. So let's go and have a look at the Dow from yesterday. Okay, so you can see on the Dow, we had this sort of like choppy action with holding that 31.195 to 31.245 zone as resistance. Probably the best reversal pattern that was there, but it hadn't quite taken out that liquidity here. We did get the liquidity grab here, but the entry was back into that zone. So although we didn't quite see full acceptance above there, it wasn't one that I would have necessarily taken to entry back into that zone. We then held it as resistance. We finally got the break up, and we moved up into this 340 to 390 zone, which held as resistance. And yeah, so there wasn't really anything to do. Once we got the break up above the zone, we never really got the retest. We did get a bit of a retest here. Actually, this here was a potential trade that you could have taken. This would have been a reversal pattern from that resistance turn support zone. That would have been a losing trade as well. Personally, I would have preferred a deeper pullback, or certainly something, yeah, just slightly deeper than that. But that was probably the only thing really there that I can see that you could potentially have traded. But like I say, that would have been a losing trade. So best opportunities certainly on that initial resistance zone on the S&P. Hope you found this report useful. Please let me know what you think. Please come subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also join the Keystone Traders community by clicking on the link on our YouTube in the comments box on our YouTube channel. It's completely free of charge, and you'll get these reports before the market opens. So I hope you found this report useful, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.